Hello everyone. Today we're diving into setting up DNS in Microsoft environments. This presentation is a beginner's guide to unlocking efficient name resolution and Active Directory integration in Windows Server environments. Let's start with, what is DNS and why use it in Microsoft environments? DNS is like a phone book for the internet, translating human-readable domain names, such as google.com, into machine-readable IP addresses like 172.217.160.142. It's crucial for Active Directory, allowing domain controllers and other network services to locate each other. Before we begin, let's cover the prerequisites for DNS setup on Windows Server. You'll need a supported Windows Server version, like Server 2022 or 2025, a static IP address for the server to ensure reliable service, administrative privileges as a member of the local administrator group, and optionally, Active Directory for integrated DNS and seamless domain services. Now, let's talk about installing the DNS server role. This can be done through the Server Manager using the Add Roles and Features wizard. Simply select the DNS server role and complete the installation. Alternatively, you can use PowerShell with the command Install Windows feature, name DNS for an automated installation. No reboot is required, and the DNS Manager console becomes available for configuration after installation. Next is configuring DNS server interfaces. By default, DNS listens on all available IP interfaces. For enhanced security and performance, specify exact IP addresses for DNS listening. You can use either the DNS Manager or PowerShell using commands like getNet IP address, select object IP address to view current addresses, and set DNS server setting, listen addresses 192.168.1.10 to set the listening address. Let's discuss creating and managing DNS zones. We have forward lookup zones, which translate domain names to IP addresses, and reverse lookup zones, which translate IP addresses to domain names. Zone types include primary, secondary, and stub zones for various replication needs. Now let's move on to adding DNS records and configuring forwarders. Essential DNS records include the A record for hostname to IPv4 address translation, name as an alias for another domain, MX record for mail exchange servers, and NS record for name servers of a domain. For DNS forwarders, these send unresolved queries to external DNS servers, speeding up resolution for external domains and reducing direct queries to root servers. Let's delve into configuring root hints and recursion. Root hints are a list of well-known DNS root servers, used when forwarders can't resolve a query. Recursion is when the DNS server performs full resolution, querying other servers on behalf of the client. Disabling recursion turns off both root hints and forwarder usage, which can be useful for specific security scenarios. Now let's cover verifying and troubleshooting DNS setup. Verification tools include nslookup, the standard command line tool, and resolve DNS name, a PowerShell candlet for advanced queries. For troubleshooting, check DNS server event logs, verify zone replication if AD integrated, and ensure firewall rules allow DNS traffic on UDP/TCP port 53. In summary, DNS is a critical network foundation for name resolution and Active Directory. We covered setup essentials like installation, zone creation, record management, and forwarders. For management, you can use DNS Manager, GUI, or PowerShell for flexibility. For the next level, explore policies, security features like DNSSEC, and monitoring techniques.